Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hydroponic growing systems that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the LetPot LPH-SE Hydroponics Growing System. The patented smart hydroponic system, coupled with the exclusive LetPot app, empowers you to effortlessly cultivate thriving plants with just a few taps on your smartphone. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional soil-based methods with this LED system that replicates natural sunlight, fostering rapid photosynthesis and robust growth year-round, regardless of external conditions. This system can accelerate plant growth by up to 40%, ensuring a bountiful harvest in record time. Tailor your cultivation experience with 2 growing modes, providing versatile control over your plants' lighting needs. Whether nurturing vegetative growth with blue light or encouraging blooming with red light, this best overall system adapts to suit your plants' unique requirements. Moving on, at number 4, we have the LAPOND Hydroponic Growing System. This hydroponic growing system is designed for fast, convenient, and nutritional gardening. This setup is ideal for beginners. You don't need to have years of experience in taking care of plants to handle this, and the herb you grow will be more nutritious and better tasting than ordinary ones. These are grown in a more oxygen-rich system that supplies nutrients directly at the roots. The material used is durable with PVC pipes. It also has ample space for many plants. This is perfect if you plan on growing lettuce, spinach, cabbage, herbs, beets, garlic, etc. The water pump is automatic, but the circulation cycle can be set manually. The pump will save you time nutritional solutions and help the plants and veggies grow well. This is super easy to assemble and brings you close to nature. The kit also comes with a 1-year warranty if you run into any issues. At number 3, we have the SereneLife AeroGarden Hydroponic Growing System. Elevate your living space with the SereneLife AeroGarden Starter Kit. As an introduction to the world of homegrown herbs and botanical beauty, you can cultivate your very own herb garden. Get ready to revel in the freshness, flavor, and fragrance that only freshly picked herbs can provide. This comprehensive kit is meticulously designed to cater to gardening enthusiasts of all levels. This herb garden starter kit offers a hands-on learning experience. It can foster a deeper appreciation for the natural world while teaching you all about the growth cycle of plants. This kit also offers lessons about sustainable living and the rewards of patience. It can act as a stress reliever as well. You can say goodbye to store-bought herbs that often lack the vibrancy and potency of freshly harvested ones. At number 2, we have the iDOO Hydroponic Growing System. This growing system is an ingenious setup to grow many plants, fruits, and veggies with no soil. With this hydroponic growing system, you will have a year-round herb garden in your home for all your cooking needs. The system is a self-watering planter with a built-in light to watch your specimens grow from seeds. It can also be the ultimate educational gift for your active kiddos. The light is a LED grow light that helps plants grow faster thanks to its full-spectrum supply. The watering system is quiet since the pump that will help circulate water and oxygen is noiseless. Additionally, the watering system is on auto control, which will work without any mess, soil, or weather limitation. The system also has a fan that is essential for pollination. It will promote airflow and balance air temperature, helping the 12 plants grow perfectly. And finally, at number 1, we have the AeroGarden Hydroponic Growing System. The company aims to incorporate indoor gardening into the life of busy individuals. They aim to inspire and enable people to enhance the quality of their foods in their homes through a simple but regular connection to what they grow. This aim helped AeroGarden come up with this spectacular 6-pod harvest garden. This countertop option has a sleek design, and the size makes it ideal for compact spaces. This will help you eliminate the soil and mess hassles since the plants naturally grow in water. The growth is more efficient owing to the energy-efficient LED light. The water system helps grow the produce about 5 times as fast as the plant would grow in a soil-based system. The system also has simple reminders to help new gardeners keep the system in check. The efficient system lets seeds sprout in days and harvest in weeks, and lets you enjoy them all year long. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.